How do entrepreneurs really make decisions and how should they make decisions?
Well, the first challenge that entrepreneurs run into, I call it analysis paralysis, where entrepreneurs get into this process of making decisions. They continue to analyze and they just simply put off the decision. And it's my philosophy, my contention, and my experience that says, I would rather you make a slightly wrong decision, not a massively wrong decision that's going to put you out of business, and do something and take action and get feedback on that. So for instance, let's say that I'm going into a new category on Amazon, or I'm thinking about doing a product line extension, or maybe going private label or what have you. And I'm weighing the pros and cons, and we'll get into the tactics of that in just a moment. But at the end of the day, if you're really unsure and if you don't know exactly the direction, my recommendation is you actually take action, start down the road. And what you're doing is you're going to be able to collect feedback and you're going to collect information. And then you're going to be able to make a new decision or pivot to a different decision. And by the way, that's okay. So I would rather you take action. Here's the deal. Action creates momentum. It is a fundamental tenet, if you will, of entrepreneurial mindset. So the more action you do, the more momentum you're going to create. And that action that you're taking is going to lead you down a road that may or may not be the right decision, but you're going to use the best information that you have at this moment in time. And then in a week, a month, a year, you're going to have more information and you're going to make other decisions. So I'd rather you take action and move forward and test the waters, because bottom line is what we do in e-commerce. We test, measure, and adjust. Test, measure, and adjust. You do it in your marketing strategies. You do it in your marketing funnels. You do it in your conversions. You do it with your customers post-launch. I want you to do the same thing in your business as well.